Do you know how powerful PhiCleaner E62G is? PhiCleaner E62G covers all of Quanfi's technologies to date, including AI vision technology, to accurately identify PV panel grid lines and autonomous correction, SCTC correction technology. The straight-moving accuracy of 100 meters is less than 5 millimeters. ACFSP frame cleaning technology deeply cleans PV panel frame stains. Ultrasonic sensing technology enables autonomous turning and U-turn to prevent the robot from falling. We have passed the French Bureau Veritas certification. PV panels without microcrack after 10,000 times water cleaning by PhiCleaner. Compared with other PhiCleaner models, the biggest selling point of E62G is its higher cleaning efficiency. Because E62G has 2.5 meters length roller brushes, double the cleaning efficiency, and the weight only 10% more than PhiCleaner E3 series. It is suitable for single-person operation. Only one operator is needed to move and do the cleaning work, saving labor costs. E62G is equipped with 25 ampere-hour replaceable lithium battery, excluding seam overlap and turning time. The actual cleaning efficiency of E62G is 1,200 square meters per hour. Maximum 15 degrees water cleaning and 20 degrees dry cleaning. Supports cleaning on rainy days or at night. E62G also supports one operator to operate multiple robots, greatly improving cleaning efficiency, such as distributed PV rooftop, BIPV rooftop, PV carports, and so on. One operator operates 2 E62 gigaseconds for simultaneous cleaning. The actual cleaning efficiency is 2,400 square meters per hour. PhiCleaner is designed for megawatt-scale PV power plants. Whether you are the plant's owner, O&M company, or solar cleaning team, as long as you have certain scale PV power plants that needs to be cleaned, PhiCleaner will be your best choice. Please feel free to leave me a message if you have any question.